Welcome to EDU World Space.
The measure of angle 2 would be equal to 70 degrees because of corresponding angles. They're in the same position. When lines are parallel, angles that are in the same position like this, top left, are the same measure. In the second case, they are called alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are the same measure. So 8x minus 34 equals 5x plus 2. Subtract 5x from both sides, and we have 3x minus 34 equals 2. Add 34 to both sides, and 3x equals 36. Divide by 3, and x is 12. If lines A and B are parallel, that is given. We know angles 1 and 3 are congruent because if these lines are parallel, 1 and 3 are the corresponding angles postulate. I'm going to say angles postulate there. We know angles 3 and 8 are congruent to each other because they are vertical angles here. They are opposite, kind of pointing at each other. So that's the vertical angles theorem. And then that would mean 1 and 8 are congruent by the transitive property. If 1 is congruent to 3 and 3 is congruent to 8, then 1 is congruent to 8. Angle 3 is like the common thread. That is called the transitive property. Or it doesn't look like that's an option, so maybe in your class you call it the substitution property. If the measure of angle 3 is 50 degrees, then the measure of angle 1 would have to be 130 degrees. You may call this supplementary, you may call it a linear pair. Angle 2 has got to be 50. That is vertical with angle 3. Angle 4 has got to be 130. Its relationship with angle 3 is another linear pair. And linear pairs have to add up to 180 degrees. Angle 5 has to be 130 degrees. Its relationship with angle 1 is called alternate exterior. They're exterior angles between these parallel lines, and they're on alternate sides of the transversal. Alternate exterior. Angle 6 would have to be 50. Its relationship with angle 3 is corresponding. They're in the same position. Angle 7 would have to be 130. Its relationship with angle 3 is called same side or consecutive interior. Not sure what you may call it. I'll call it same side, but another common name for it is consecutive interior. Same side interior. And angle 8 is also 50 degrees. Its relationship with angle 3 is alternate interior. Alternate interior.